This is TTIM at ProPak. I'm here talking to Jean-Marc of Cermex. Thank you very much for talking to us. Can you tell us a little bit about the machines you have here?
This is a wraparound case packer that we have just sold to a customer called IP Manufacturing, based in Bangkok. This is one of the fourth machines we have sold to this customer. There's two different lines, including two wraparound case packers and two palletizers.
Can you tell us a little bit about how it works?
Well, basically, this is a machine dedicated for plastic bottles. Here, these are bottles of detergents. Yes. They are coming on several lanes, and you have here the product collation, making the batch that we will case pack laterally into the wraparound case. The blanks is pre-extract at this level. This is a 4-station machine. Yes. You have the pre-extraction of the blank, then the case packing, and then the case closing and the case gluing.
And what sort of products can this pack?
So here this is a plastic bottle of detergent. It could be tins, cans, plastic bottles of water. I mean, that's the type of application we already sold and we have shown in the past at ProPak in the former edition of ProPak.
And what other machines do you provide?
So this is part of the wraparound range that we manufacture and sell. In terms of cardboard solution, we also manufacture some American cases solutions, integrating case erector, case packer, case gluer. We have also some shrink wrapping solution, sealless shrink wrappers, but shrink wrappers with sealing bar as well. And we do also manufacture palletizers, robotic palletizers, layer by layer palletizer, any type of palletizing solution. So mainly we provide the whole end-of-line solution for the any type of industry, including food, beverage, home and personal care, pharmaceutical, and paper as well.
So, what types of food products would you pack with a machine like this?
As I mentioned, we can case pack tins of food. We can case pack soft packaging, sachet, bags, doy packs, bottles, any type, any size of bottles, plastic bottles, PET bottles for the water industry, the soft drink industries, milk industry as well. So this is really a flexible machine in terms of industry possibilities. Here you have a lane in-feed, but you can have also a different in-feed system, an in-feed an elevating stacker. You can have a ProSelex in-feed, which is something really specific to Cermex, where we have some patented on this type of in-feed. So this is really a flexible application covering a wide range of products and packaging, because we are able to handle complete wraparound blanks and trays.
What would you say is particularly special about your products?
Well, our products, our range can basically, you can find in our range any type of solution, from really traditional mechanical solution up to really high-level technological level solution, including robotics. So, depending on your speed, depending on your layout, depending on the wheel that you want to have in terms of high technology or basic technology, we will have a solution adapted to the specific needs.
And what is your latest innovations or developments in products?
We have two innovations that we have just launched for ProPak. One is the VersaFilm shrink wrappers. This is a seamless shrink wrappers, thermoseal shrink pack that does thermoseal shrink packs. Basically, the whole concept of the machine is based on modular architecture. So we basically took our former solution of shrink wrapping, took it apart in different modules to be able to reduce our lead time and reduce our cost globally for this type of solution. The second solution that we introduced for ProPak is a case packing solution that integrates a 6-axis robot, a 6-axis Delta robot, which is brand new on the market. This robot is manufactured by Fanuc, you know, the Japanese manufacturers. So basically you find a lot of Delta robots throughout the markets, but the main innovation is that this robot has 6 axes instead of 4 axes in the past. So it will allow us to have the products coming flat on the conveyor, on the infant conveyor, and put the product up inside the cases, or do the opposite way around, having the product coming standing up and then put them flat into the case. So that's one of the features of this 6-axis robot. The second feature would be the weight that we can handle with this type of robot. We were kind of stuck with the former Delta robot with payload of 1-2 kilogram maximum, and now we can reach up to 6 kilogram, which is really interesting for us for the end-of-line application, where we have to carry heavy payloads most of the time.
Have you been getting a lot of interest here at ProPak?
Yeah, definitely. That's a big, after the major show of Interpack in Düsseldorf, which is the worldwide packaging show, we definitely want to increase our visibility on the Asian market with our Thai subsidiary covering the Southeast Asia Pacific region, and definitely we expect a lot of a big boost on new projects, on new prospect as well, in order to open up some possibilities for this subsidiary. We have here around 20 people based locally in Bangkok, covering the whole area.
And how is the Southeast Asian region doing?
Pretty well. That's one of the best region going on right now. I mean, for sure, for the past 2 years, that has been one of the most interesting region for us in terms of projects and business as well.
Do you have any plans for future projects, future machines, any new developments you're working on?
Definitely, we are opening 1st of July a new subsidiary in India, yes, where that's going to be first a sales and services subsidiary. Then shortly we'll turn to a production facility where we will build some machines dedicated to the Indian market, really adapted to this market. So that's part of the new development machine that are not part of the range right now. So that's going to be a range extension in the coming months for Cermex for the Indian market.
So you see the Indian market as having a lot of potential?
Yeah, definitely. We have somebody on the field for 2 years now that has been responding to the projects and to the requests we get from usual customers, and that gave us the time to study and analyze the market possibility, and it's definitely a growing market for the end-of-line activity. So we intend to be there, but we intend to be there with not a range coming from Europe, with a standard coming from Europe, but we're really from an adapted solution dedicated to the Indian market. We have a facility in China, but same thing, it is not adapted to the Indian market. So that's why we intend to extend our production facilities and we intend to build this facility in India.
Are there any other countries you see with big potential?
Brazil is definitely the next step for us. So probably, as we are a 650 people company, which is not a big group, we are not like 5,000 people. We scheduled to work on the Brazil subsidiary next year, 2012, doing more or less the same thing, trying to adapt and build part of our solution locally in order to respond to this growing demand.
And how do you adapt your products and solutions to local demands? How do you find out the local demands, what people are looking for?
Well, we have obviously some regular exchange with the major multinational group that we follow everywhere in the world. So basically they help us to identify their needs. They are quite in advance to know where they are going to be and what they're going to need in the short future or in a longer term. Basically we are here close to our customer, and we've been doing with our central marketing a study globally. If we are talking for India, we have been evaluating the market in order to with our mother company in order to validate the budget for the investment as well. So we really work on the marketing and on the marketing approach to validate that.
As far as products, have you got any plans for future product development?
Yeah, I think we talked about that already.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for talking to us. Okay, thank you.